Now, I would like to introduce paragraph 3. We start from the part horses man. Part horses man, rotate. Wave hands like clouds. Another wave. And another wave. 3 waves. Push out. Bunch your hook. Take step. A single whip. From this movement, you can see lots of wave hands like clouds. It looks beautiful and graceful. But if we want to do it well, we need lots of coordination. To make sure the body relaxed, all the joints are free, and then you can get that smooth flow. A few things I would like to mention. When we wave hands, the knees need to bend. The legs slightly wider than your shoulders, the width. When the knees bend slightly, with the whole step, and the joints can be free to move. Another thing is to keep your body upright. Do not lean forward, or lean backwards, or lean to the side. Always keep upright, which can make the whole movement smooth and graceful. When we do the wave, the waist, the same, is guiding the movements as a pivot. Hands goes up, but no higher than your forehead. Eyes look at the hand on the top, and then the eyes look at another hand on the top, but no higher than your forehead. The lower hand is doing a scoop. Okay, so that's key points of our wave hands like clouds. After wave hands like clouds, single whip, the same as before. Rotate your left hand, push the left hand, and land the left foot, grind the right foot to make a bow step, single whip. Now continue, half step, head high on the horse. Head high, it means high. How high? Generally speaking, it's chin level. So head high, so head, chin level. There are a few differences between this movement and the step back and wall hands. This movement, head high, chin level. Step back and wall hands, chest level. This movement, the left hand, lower abdomen, next to the lower abdomen. But step back wall hands, next to the ribs. This movement, use the right hand and left leg in the front. Step back and wall hands is the right hand and right leg in the front. So make clear, you know the difference of those movements. All right? After pat, do a horizontal circle, cross, draw a vertical circle, cross your hands, raise up, and kick. And kick. Lots of people will worry they're going to lose balance in this movement because stand on one leg and do the kick. The worry is enemy for this movement. If you worry more, you're going to lose balance more possibly. keep confident. And also, when you stand on one leg, bend the knee slightly. If we stand too straight, you're going to feel not as stable. Bend the knee slightly. That can make your gravity lower, and the legs has more possibility to recover from the imbalanced situation. When you kick, make sure that right hand and right heel face to the same direction. Some people will do like this. They feel more stable, but actually this has more tendency to lose balance. So the hand and the heel face to the same direction. The height your kick can reach is not that important because we are not attending a competition. Majority of us are practicing Tai Chi to keep fit. So make sure you feel stable and comfortable. That is more important. Comfortable, stable, relaxed, more important than the height your kick can reach. After the kick, pull in, take step, strike with both fists. The eyes of the fists face to each other, elbow bent, energy inside. Cross your hands, raise up the left knee, and kick with the left toe. Bend your knees, feel confident, and the left hand and left toe face to the same direction. Rotate and rotate. Make sure you rotate enough of your feet. Reach to the position, your face to the right position, and then you can kick with confidence. Bend your knee and kick. Backward step, raise up, brush your knee, and needle to the bottom of the sea. Use your waist to guide the movement, and needle. The most common mistake in this movement is some people will do a chop instead of a needle thrust. So avoid the chopping action. Brush your knee and thrust like a powerful needle to the opponent's groin area. Raise up. Take step. Push through the back. Another very short form. But if we want to do it smoothly, we need to make sure the hand rotate and the hand push out and land the foot. 3 movements go together. That can make the whole movement smooth and graceful. All right, I do again. Needle, raise up, push through the back. All right. Now, I would like to introduce the attacking and defending meanings of those movements. Start from part horseman. Wave hands like clouds is to grasp opponent's arm and then wave the opponents out. When the opponents lose balance, we can send the right hand out together. The leg quite often is behind the opponent's leg. And then send the opponents out, and the opponent is going to have a fall. All right, so wave hands, wave, single whip. We already introduced before. Grasp opponent's arm and attack like a whip. Pad high is attack to opponent's face, high area. Easy to understand. The kick is attack with the leg, heel, kick. Strike is to attack opponent's ears or temple, this area. Another kick, attack with the toe. Attack with the toe. Turn body, another kick with the heel, another kick. Needle, brush is the defense. Needle is attack through opponent's groin area. Raise up, block or grasp, another hand attack the opponent. That's the attacking and defending meanings of those 9 forms. Now, I would like to introduce the breathing coordination in these 9 forms. We start from part horse's man. Inhale, step in. Exhale, step out. Inhale, step in. Exhale, step out. Inhale, step in. Exhale, push out. Inhale, rotate. Exhale, push. In, rotate. Exhale, pat. In, rotate. Exhale, cross. In, cross. Exhale, kick. In, withdraw. Exhale, strike. In, cross. Exhale, kick. In, take step. Exhale, rotate. In, cross. Exhale, a kick. In, rise up. Exhale, needle. In, rise up. Exhale, push. So this is the breathing coordination of the 9 forms.